Are you ready to take your Twitch streams to the next level? With dynamic channel points, you can connect your heart rate to your channel rewards, making every moment more intense and engaging for your viewers. Let me show you how to get started. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. Everything you need to set up and customize your experience is right here. From connecting your HypeRate device to syncing your Twitch account, it's all just a few clicks away. Start by entering your HypeRate ID in the field here and clicking Connect. This ties your real-time heart rate data directly to the app. If you don't have a HypeRate ID yet, check out the link in the description to learn how to get one. Next, let's connect your Twitch account. Simply click Connect with Twitch, log in, and authorize the extension. This step links your channel points with the app, so your viewers can join the fun. Now for the fun part, adding rewards. Enter a reward title, set a base price, and choose a heart rate multiplier. This multiplier determines how the reward cost changes as your heart rate goes up or down. When you're ready, click Add Reward. Once you've added a reward, you'll see it appear here in the active rewards list. You can always edit or delete them as you go, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for your stream. And here's the magic, your heart rate in real time. As it changes, so do the costs of your rewards. This keeps your viewers engaged and makes every moment on stream unpredictable and exciting. And that's it. Dynamic channel points is the perfect way to bring your heart rate into the action. Ready to try it out? Head over to our website link in the description to get started today.